Do you see that definition? Whoop, whoop, hey. Do you see that definition? Whoop, whoop, hey. Hey y'all, it's your girl Sashi E. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how I achieved the super defined and shiny twist out. Finally, your girl got it right. Before we get started, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell. I started with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. The method that I used to achieve this bomb twist out was very simple. I added Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie and also the Tropical Roots Moisturizing and Sculpting Foam. I did let my hair air dry for about 24 hours. I will say I was still a little bit skeptical to unravel them because I ain't want no problems, y'all. And you know, sometimes with natural hair, we twist it up and we unravel it and it's still wet and it causes a lot of frizz. So I did sit under the dryer for about 15 minutes before I unraveled them. Once I unraveled the twist, I added jojoba oil to my hands just to add some shine and also to minimize the amount of frizz. As y'all know, I failed miserably at my last twist out, so I was so happy when I started to unravel my twist and it was not frizzing up and it looked shiny and I had definition. So yes, that's why I'm dancing. Your girl was happy. I did take my time to unravel each twist. As you can see, the twists kind of separate on its own, so you don't need to manipulate it too much in order to separate it. I also twirl the twist around my finger to form some nice coils. Here I am trying to decide how to style my hair. At first I was going to do some bangs, but then I didn't really like it too much, so then I decided to just go ahead and do a side part. Look at that shine, you guys. Look at that definition. Yes, this is what I've been looking for. I am in love, you guys. Look at that. Ooh, look how moisturized that is. Ooh, no frizz. Ooh, I love it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.